So today we'll be talking about one of the most exciting journeys that a woman can go through, and that is pregnancy. We will be focusing on the symptoms of pregnancy in weeks 2, 3 and 4. So whether you're trying to conceive or you're just curious about what to expect, this video is for you. So grab a cup of tea and let's dive in. During week 2 of your menstrual cycle, your body is preparing for ovulation. This is a time when one of your ovaries releases an egg, which travels down the fallopian tube, ready for fertilization. You might notice some light spotting or discharge around this time, which is completely normal. In addition, your cervical mucus may become thin, clear, and stretchy, which is a sign that you are ovulating. So, some women also experience mild cramping during ovulation. Now, did you know that your chances of conceiving are highest during the first 2 to 3 days before ovulation? That is why it is important to track your menstrual cycle and be aware of your fertile windows if you are trying to conceive. By week 3 of your menstrual cycle, the fertilized egg has implanted in the lining of your uterus and pregnancy hormones start to kick in. You might experience some mild symptoms like fatigue, bloating, and mood swings. Your breasts may feel tender or sore, and you may notice some light spotting or cramping. These symptoms are all normal and nothing to be worried about. Do you know that some women experience implantation bleeding during this week? This is when a small amount of blood is released as the fertilized egg burrows into the uterine lining. Implantation bleeding is usually lighter and shorter than a regular period and can be a sign that you're pregnant. During week 4 of your menstrual cycle, you might start to notice some more obvious signs of pregnancy. You may experience nausea or morning sickness, which can be triggered by certain smells or foods. You may also feel more tired than usual and have frequent urination. Additionally, you may notice that your breasts are getting larger and more sensitive. At this point, your baby's heartbeat is starting to form, and it's so amazing to think that a tiny little heart is beating inside of you. How amazing is that? Even though your baby is only the size of a poppy seed. It is also at this stage that the placenta starts to develop, which will eventually supply your baby with nutrients and oxygen throughout the pregnancy. Always remember that every woman experience is different and not everyone experiences all the symptoms. So if you suspect you might be pregnant, be sure to take a test and schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider. And congratulations in advance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was informative and helpful.